Manning School is represented this evening by Team Captain Sierra Hall, Tian Ray Barnes, Hassan Smith, and Rachel Brown. While Westwood High is represented by Team Captain Tene Johnson, Shawnell Brown, Cadecia Farron, and Amika Scott. Only one of these teams will move on to the next round. Hello and welcome to round 2 action here of TVJ's Schools Challenge Quiz. I'm Jean-Paul Menu. It all comes down to this. High schools from across the island have entered the challenge. But do they have the skill, the knowledge, and the temperament to move on to the next round? Let's get into the opening challenge. In this section, teams will be asked questions alternately and will receive 1 point for each correct answer. Earlier we had the toss. Manning School won and decided to go first. So we begin with Manning School. The section lasts for 4 minutes. We have that time on the clock, Manning School, so we begin right away with literature. Who is the author of the book Baba and Mr. Big? That's right, literature for Westwood High. Who is the author of the book The Ghost of Tantony Pig?
All right, Anthony Winkler. Anthony Winkler!
No, Julia Jarman. International Affairs of Visual for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Woman did run. Where was he? Helen Brown.
Helen Brown. No, it's Nikki Haley, a U.S. presidential candidate. International Affairs for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Right. Ron DeSantis.
Ron DeSantis.
Florida governor. Correct. Jamaican Heritage Manning School. Complete the Jamaican proverb. Can't take cow tail.
Well, cow soup.
Welcome soup.
No, fry cow kin. Jamaican Heritage Westwood High. Complete this Jamaican proverb. Crab can't hold in a lobster.
Claw. Shell. Shell.
Is right. French for Manning School. What does the verb détester mean?
To hate.
To hate.
To hate or to detest. Correct. French Westwood. What does the verb écouter mean?
To listen. To listen.
That's right. Music and an audio one from Manning School. Listen to the following clip and identify this artiste.
Run me to the left and spin me in the middle.
Beyonce knows.
Texas Hold'em. Correct. Music Westwood. Listen to the following clip. Identify this artiste.
Billie Eilish.
Birds of a feather. That's right. Art. Manning School. Which local artist created the work 13 Israelites?
Carly Brams.
That's right. Art for Westwood. Which Musgrave Medal winner in Jamaica created the piece On the Sixth Day?
Enamani.
No, Donette Zaka. Theatre and cinema, a visual one for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Ben Affleck.
Ben Affleck.
That's right. Theatre and cinema for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this actor, please.
Adrian Brody.
Adrian Brody.
That's right. Bible Knowledge Manning School. In what book of the Bible did Jesus say he is the way, the truth, and the life?
Matthew.
No, John. Bible Knowledge Westwood. Abraham bought a field in Machpelah to bury whom initially?
Isaac.
No, Sarah. Sport or visual for Manning School. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Arena Sabalenka.
Arena Sabalenka.
Arena, yes, that's correct. Tennis player. Sport for Westwood. Look at the monitor. Identify this person, please.
Good. Alexander Zverev. Alexander Zverev.
Zverev is correct. Both tennis players. Biology Manning School. What is the name of the process in which a chromosome breaks and the fragments reattach to different chromosomes?
DNA
replication.
Translocation. Biology Westwood. What is the name of the process in which water moves through a plant and eventually evaporates from leaves, stems, and flowers?
Transpiration.
That's correct. Physics Manning School. The ripples in a ripple tank travel 0.5 meters in 2.5 seconds and have a frequency of 4 hertz. What is the wavelength of the water waves?
Divided. So,
5 seconds.
5, 20.
20.
20.
meters.
0.05 meters. Physics, Westwood. A man standing 300 meters from a cliff claps his hand and hears an echo 1.8 seconds later. What approximate value do these results give for the velocity of sound?
Velocity, height. 600 meters per second.
600 meters per second.
No, 330 meters per second. That is the bell. That's the end of the opening challenge for this evening. Scores in the match look to be Manning School on 6 points, Westwood High just ahead on 7. When we come back, it'll be time for the speed challenge. Stay with us. School's Challenge Quiz returns right after these messages.